Good afternoon. Today I will introduce you to our Minecraft programming course. All classes take place on a special educational server. When we enter the server, we arrive at the starting location, the hub. There are several portals in the hub, one for each class. Today we will go through a level from the first class location. It consists of floating islands where you can walk around and talk to different characters. Each character leads to one of the course lessons. There are more than 20 zones in the course, each with its own tasks. By completing them, students learn to program and create their own projects. For example, we can find a farmer who is located at the windmill. And by talking to him, we can teleport to one of the educational zones. The turtle is a special robot around which the entire course is built. You can interact with it using a special remote control. Each student can have their own turtle, which they can name, choose its color, and add some extra accessory. At this point, you can engage the child by suggesting they choose a name for the turtle and customize its appearance. The turtle can also execute commands by switching to a special tab. You can make it move forward, backward, turn, go up or down. It can also break or place blocks. After you explain the basic control principles to the child, suggest that they try controlling the turtle on their own. The child will say the commands and you will enter them so the turtle performs the corresponding actions. Once the child understands how to control the turtle, suggest that they build a staircase to the second floor of the barn. To do this, they should name the steps needed to create the staircase. The algorithm for building the staircase is as follows. Place the building blocks in the turtle's inventory. Then you need to place a block, go up, take a step forward, and place another block. For convenience, you can use the first-person view. You need to repeat this several times. Go up, take a step forward, place a block. Go up, take a step forward, place a block. Depending on how the child is doing, you can ask leading questions or give hints to help them complete the task. After the child builds the staircase, tell them that they have created their first algorithm for the turtle and that it can be represented as a program, then move on to the next stage of the demonstration. For the next stage, move the turtle down, click on it, and go to the Program tab. Here you can find all the commands we saw in the control panel, but in addition there are many other commands available here, which we will be learning about in our course. These commands can be dragged into a special area called the Visual Code Editor. After that, if we click the Run Program button, the turtle will execute these commands one by one. And as we can see, it took 3 steps forward and stopped. In this way, by combining commands, we can write programs for the turtle. Ask the child to write a program so that it builds a staircase as shown in the earlier example. To do this, drag the command into the visual editor. Place a block in front of you, go up, move forward, and repeat this 4 times. After that, we will run the program, and we will see how the turtle builds the same staircase. Once the staircase is built, ask the child to build the same staircase, but from top to bottom. The child will name the commands, and you will enter them into the visual editor. Give the child hints as needed. It is worth noting that in the program for building the staircase down, the turtle needs to place blocks underneath itself. The child doesn't know about this variation of the command yet, so be sure to explain it to them. Otherwise, the program is similar to the previous one, only the movement is directed downward. At the next stage of the demonstration, you can show more advanced programming approaches that the child will study in the future. For example, you can ask, what if the staircase is longer than 4 blocks? Do we really have to write out every command separately? And then immediately answer your own question by explaining loops, concepts from programming that allow you to repeat the same actions many times. As an example, you can use the repeat loop, which repeats commands a specified number of times. For instance, in our case, that number would be 12. After that, if we write the sequence of actions we need, the turtle will perform it exactly 12 times. And once you climb onto the roof, you might find a chest there containing a reward for your hard work. Congratulate your child on writing their first program and invite them to join the course where they will learn the basics of programming, use it to complete tasks, and create their own constructions.